Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll walk you through how to make a Windows 11 bootable USB drive with a free tool called Rufus. It's quick, easy, and you can even use it on a PC that doesn't meet Windows 11 requirements. And before we jump in, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit the like button and subscribe to support my small channel. First, open your browser and search for Windows 11 ISO. Open first website. On the website, scroll down to the bottom. Select Windows 11 from the drop-down and then click Confirm. Then choose your language and again click Confirm. Now click 64-bit and ISO file will start and downloading. Now we will need Rufus software to make our USB bootable. Open a new tab and search for Rufus. Open this website. On the website, scroll down and download latest version of Rufus. Then open your Downloads folder. Now open Rufus. Here select your USB drive. Then click Select and choose the Windows 11 ISO you downloaded. Once everything is set, click Start. You can check first two options if your PC doesn't meet Windows 11 requirements. Click OK to continue. Rufus will start making your USB bootable. When it says ready, your Windows 11 bootable USB is complete. And that's how you create a Windows 11 bootable USB using Rufus. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more videos.